Fellas, and you're watching the OKC Edge.
Kevin, I'm lead guitar player, lead vocals.
Izzy, bass player and backup vocals.
Sam, the rhythm guitar and backup vocals.
DJ, drummer.
It's going, eh?
It's going.
Izzy face planted in their first gigs.
It started off well.
A lot better than the other shows. I think we're just hungry, dude. We're hungry for the stage, we're hungry for the fans, dude. So, I mean, the minute we hit the stage, it's like...
We light up. It's totally different.
It's like sending a bunch of monkeys to do
Monkey things.
monkey work. Literally. We're just jumping up and down, having a blast.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun, man.
Well, we actually don't have a new album yet.
It's on the way.
That is on the way. After Rocklahoma, we're finishing up this run. We're going to head back home. We're going to rest for a couple of weeks, and then we're going to go into the studio. After that, we're hoping to have it released by the end of the summer, and the latest by the end of the year.
It was a little bit, man. We're still trying to wake up.
Okay.
We go to sleep like at 5 in the morning. They wake us up at 7.
I hear you. Where's the best place to follow you guys at?
Anywhere. We're everywhere.
Facebook, there's even an official website.
Just
Google
Google
it.
it.
You can go to ratchetdolls.com, you can go to Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever. Just Google us. We're the only Ratchet Dolls out there.
Except those other.
But if you find porn, that's not us.
It could be Sam. A couple of
Sam
times.
used to be a porn star. Look at them. Our manager's over there cracking up.
Cool.